Hey YouTube, what's up? I'm back. Just a quick note, there will be more museum videos. Just been picking up a lot of cards lately. Move this over a little. So that's why there have been more card videos. And I want to stretch the museum out a bit. I had some rewards points for Amazon. Originally I was going to get a hobby box of Heritage, but I decided, hey, there's a card show coming up in a few weeks. I'll probably be able to pick one up there. And I want to look for something different. And after looking at some checklists, I saw that the hits for this set, the Road to WrestleMania 2016, was pretty good. So I actually haven't seen that many box breaks of this for some reason. So fortunately could not find my knife, so I'm using this second-rate scissor. Hey, we got it open. Must be a little different, so I'm just going to put that back there because I want to start opening these cards. Wow. I don't know what the deal is there. Okay, first pack. Got Kalisto. Let's have these upside down. There we go. Deo Itami. Bray Wyatt. Sting and John Cena, even though I only see John Cena on the card. And Ryback wins the Intercontinental Championship. And, oh, I spoiled the hit. It is a on-card Sasha Banks. And it's pretty interesting. It's still a couple of lines, but it's slightly above the signature she's given now. So, pretty good. And that is 11 of 25. Oh, pretty nice hit there. Guess I need these scissors. Charlotte and Bailey. Looks like we got a bronze Becky Lynch. And once again, I have spoiled the hit. And I guess this is the Sasha Banks box, as we have a Sasha Banks matte relic. King Barrett. So who knows, maybe we'll get a bonus. Otherwise, much like that, at least one of the other boxes I did on here, a little anticlimactic because we've got all our hits already. Also just noticed this Sasha Banks is silver, so that's good. I'm just going to run through the rest of these cards pretty quick. Do like these WrestleMania cards. And Seth Rollins. Hey, finally got a pack open without the scissors. Looks like we got bronze Rowdy Roddy Piper. In memory, we've got a WrestleMania Rusev card. Kevin Owens. Once again, go through these pretty quick. So, in memory of Dusty Rhodes, so I guess that's a tribute. WrestleMania Roman Reigns, again, not bad looking cards. Looks like we're back to this. Oh, there's a timely card. Charlotte and Becky Lynch. They just started that storyline. Got a bronze Cena. We got this very nice Page card. Once again, looks like got a Piper tribute here. I like the plaid on the bottom. WrestleMania card of The Miz. Got a bronze Dudley Boys, Immortals, and a WrestleMania card of The Rock. Sting. Another Piper tribute. A WrestleMania card of Xavier Woods. Remember that storyline. Rock tribute, Cesaro WrestleMania. Bronze Lesnar. Very nice Lana WrestleMania card. I'd say out of these stuff, for the cards that I've opened, I really like this design. Looks like we got a bronze coming up. Sasha Banks defeats Charlotte. Another Immortals, Dean Ambrose WrestleMania card. Rock tribute. Looks like we got a silver. Or is that just the card color? It's not numbered. Interesting. Sting WrestleMania. We got a bronze. Dusty Rhodes Tribute, Brie Bella WrestleMania. John Cena Bronze, Dolph Ziggler WrestleMania. Got that Roddy Piper in memory. Dudley Boys, Dusty Rhodes Tribute, Daniel Bryan WrestleMania. Looks like we got a bronze Lesnar and a WrestleMania Lesnar. Piper Tribute, WrestleMania Big Show. Finn Balor, Cena, Nikki Bella. Another Piper Tribute, Triple H WrestleMania. Stardust. It's a throwback. Bronze Rusev. Another Immortals card. Nice WrestleMania card of Naomi. We're getting to the end of this box. It's a bronze, looks like. Other Immortals and a WrestleMania of Tyson Kidd. Just a note, I do actually have more Heritage, more blasters that I have not opened yet, so there will be more Heritage. I know that's the current set and the big thing, but I like to open different products, kind of mix things up. Kofi Kingston. Alright, and that's it. Hope you enjoyed it. Keep checking back for the next video. So I certainly have a bunch coming up. Thanks for watching.